life process ki makha tarakpada hausi koi human nutrition tawsiko human nutrition je nutrition in human hags ye human nutrition mamangda aikoina nutrition gi makhal nainaba matamda mase aikoina holozoic nutrition ni hana thengnagre holozoic nutrition haidi kaino food se the food is taken in and breaks it down inside the body into simpler forms ngasagi chasal lib sinjak se koina mouth se chasale aduga ekogi body sigi manungda digest toraga ngasagi food material singdo complex food material singdo simpler substance singda convert tawi singma process se siboi koina holozoic nutrition hene koi aduga nutrition makhal se holozoic nutrition se heterotrophic nutrition ni makhal aduna apunba nutrition se thokna ba mioi bada akoina digestive system haiba organ mayam amagi system ama punjal ba aduguma structure am lai digestive system sigi manungda tongan ba organs mayam ama involved tawi haribo organs sing se akoina makhal ani group ani thokna sembe hai kwa haibadi digestive system je part ani thokna lei haina lawrasi kwa adudi ahan bada kaino the first one is alimentary canal alimentary canal se sina karibu khanage it is the channel starting from mouth and that ends into anus mouth gi horaga anus fawda leiriba sida leiriba passage natraga mag channel se siboi koina alimentary canal kawi alimentary canal sigi manungda mouth esophagus stomach small intestine large intestine rectum anus mayam se involved tawi ko sigumba mayam si alimentary canal sigi manungda food digestion je mapung phana tawdoi aduga ani suba part da amu alimentary canal sigi manungda food se digest tawda mateng pangba atopa organ mayam amu yauri ko haiba organ sing sigi secretion makodi gi thadol ko mahi sing duna food se digest tawda mateng pangi adudi adugumba makhal gi organ sing do aduna koina digestive glands haiga khangni digestive glands sing sida di kana kana yawi hain yengma matamda hause ekoina mamangda diagram sida thengnariba liver haiba ma pancreas haiba ma haiba organ ani se sina maru oina digestive glands sing sigi manungda yawi adudi akhoi hojik digestion je tomna processing makha chathraksi kwa process of digestion in human haiba di human nutrition ya han step ta food se kedorani the food in human is ingested through the mouth da akhoi ni chinjak se chasalani kwa aduga se hojik mouth da thoiba tongan ba phenomenon singsi hausi mouth se akhoi na chak chariba part se it is called buccal cavity or simply we call it oral cavity kwa buccal cavity sing manung the food se the food inside the buccal cavity is crushed into pieces with the help of teeth ya sing sigi mateng na nasai khoni chariba chinjak se machet ta na hojik breakdown I mean crush story to guide aduga hairiba crush toroba pot sing se mouth sigi manungda mahi mamuk thaduli mahi yaudana fruit yaudana food sing se akoina food sing se digest tobada mapung phaba ngam bahuna de ko aduna mahi sing dugi mateng nam digestion no makha chathana ba mouth sigi manungda hojik mahi mathadu e mahi dugi maming saliva haina ko saliva is secreted by salivary glands in the oral cavity salivary glands singsigi mateng na saliva ta saliva haibasi kaino saliva is a viscoid whitish liquid secreted by the salivary glands into the mouth or into the buccal cavity or oral cavity adu howji hairiba saliva se magi properties happen ningsing bi ko saliva is slightly acidic it is about 6.9 pH saliva se sidaida magi saliva gi role natraga function amoy koi khanaba yai kwa functions of saliva functions yang kanda ahan bada saliva sinane saliva softens the food and helps in mastication. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ saliva ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯍꯤꯁꯤꯒ mix ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ soft ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯕꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯂꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯔꯛꯑꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ helps in mastication ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯅꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯅ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯣꯠꯂꯦꯕ ꯆꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯆꯥꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯠꯂꯦꯕ ꯁꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯣꯠꯂꯒ ꯑꯆꯥꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯏꯅꯅꯕ ꯄꯨꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯁꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ mastication ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪꯒ ꯍꯟꯒꯦ ꯐꯪꯁꯟ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ saliva softens the food and helps in mastication ꯄꯣꯏꯟꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯗꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯅꯕ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯕꯥꯏꯑꯣꯀꯦꯇꯥꯂꯤꯁ ꯀꯧꯕ ꯀꯦꯃꯤꯀꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯪꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯦꯃꯤꯀꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯁꯤꯝꯄꯂꯔ ꯐꯣꯔꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯥꯏꯍꯟꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯍꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯏꯟꯚꯣꯜꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯕꯥꯏꯑꯣꯀꯦꯇꯥꯂꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯟꯖꯥꯏꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯟꯖꯥꯏꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ certain enzyme is present in saliva sida enzyme yawi saliva contains enzyme ptyalin saliva contains enzyme ptyalin or salivary amylase that digests starch. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ starchꯀꯤ ꯁꯔꯨꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯃꯥꯎꯠꯁꯤꯗ ꯗꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯧꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ starchꯁꯦ maltose isomaltose ꯑꯁꯤꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯀꯝꯄꯥꯎꯟꯗꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯀꯟꯚꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯅꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯛꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯟꯖꯔꯤꯕ isomaltose maltose sucrose ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯝꯄꯥꯎꯟꯗꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯃꯤꯡ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯍꯦꯟꯕꯅꯦꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯟꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯞꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕ ꯐꯪꯁꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯗꯣꯔꯤꯁꯦ it contains enzyme ptyalin or salivary amylase that digests starch in the mouth right ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕ ꯄꯣꯏꯟꯠꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯗꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯕꯠ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯁꯨꯕ ꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯁꯦꯂꯥꯏꯚꯥ makes our speech possible ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥ ꯉꯥꯡꯕꯗ ꯈꯣꯟꯖꯦꯜ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯁꯦꯂꯥꯏꯚꯥꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ if in case ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯗꯦꯖꯔꯠ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯂꯣꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ excessive dehydration ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯈꯅꯥꯎꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯋꯥ ꯉꯥꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯟꯖꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯁꯦꯂꯥꯏꯚꯥ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯛꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯦꯂꯥꯏꯚꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥ ꯉꯥꯡꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ possibilities mana pire mouth sida hauzik digestion tawba hawi kari substance no mouth to digest tawba hawrdoise aikoina chariba machal mayam sida maruena carbohydrates proteins fats asina singbising yauriba hairiba machal mayam sigi manungda only carbohydrate or starch is digested in the mouth by the action of enzyme ptyalin or salivary amylase sigi enzyme sigi matengna akoi mouth sigi manungda digest over horize carbohydrate or starch khatani ko then the partially digested food from the mouth is passed into stomach passing through esophagus ko pipe se phawraga huji ekoi mouth gi partially digest of horaba food to stomach se pass story but just after the food is swallowed akoi food se hek swallow to khibaga alimentary canal or gut haraga su khangnai ko alimentary canal se kari haiba alimentary canal is also called gut sigi manung sida sigi pareng sida muscle sing yauri ko hariba muscle sing sigi movement rhythmic movement amakhakna food substance sing se mathak tagi makharom da adumak rhythmic movement amana puraga chatleba sigi movement sina mouth tagi stomach sida food se transport tore sigi transportation ki mechanism se siboi khoina kai kawi peristalsis haina kawi before discussing what happened in the stomach, we'll discuss about peristalsis first. And of course, stomach the kai to ihai tawdringa da peristalsis haibasi hana karino hana khangaji kwa. Adudi hauzik phenomenon ama peristalsis. See question hangbay define peristalsis haina kwa. Peristalsis, the rhythmic involuntary movement of the muscles along the alimentary canal that pushes the food downward is called peristalsis. Then, due to the movement of the muscles along the gut, the food is transported into stomach, where It acts as temporary storage of foods. Habidi stomach ki function da mulakchirage ko. Mathangda hauzik stomach sida yore. Stomach sida kai thoi. What are the functions of stomach, or mention two functions or two roles of stomach in human? Ahanbada stomach acts as temporary storage of foods. According to the Sasaliba Chinjak Sing stomach the pastor. Stomach si manungda matam khara hauzik chinjak to store to raga thamduni. Sine kone temporary storage haijika. Ani subada partial digestion of food takes place in stomach. Stomach si manungda ngasagi food to matam khara store to ringi manungduda sida food se digest to bangamna hona hui. Adudi digestion ki process ti kai to wai stomach si manungda khoi food se digest to na ba mahi makhak thadui. Mahi dugi maming gastric juice hena koi. Gastric juice se thaduk na ba stomach ki inner lining sida gastric gland sing yawi ko. Gastric gland sing sigi mateng na hauzik gastric juice thadure. Gastric juice sigi maru oiba contents ahanbada hydrochloric acid, anisubada enzyme pepsin, ahum subada enzyme mucus. Smain tawdana substance ahum se maruina stomach sigi manungda phangi. Adudi stomach sigi manungda phangi ba substance ahum sigi mad role singsina food si kamai digest tawi sidam horage ahanbada se pepsin haiba mayai thangba enzyme sidigi hojage. Pepsin se stomach sigi manungda inactive form the secret tawi. Pepsin hormone digests proteins and converts into dipeptides. Or nakoi text ki matung inadi sida sarna dipeptides kana haiba wahi singse amati yaude ko. Is just simply mention that pepsin digests protein in the stomach. Stomach sing manungda protein digestion se pepsin actions na to. So loe then high cell ki role. Ahanbada pepsin enzyme se sarna hauzik high gre inactive form the stomach sigi manungda release tawi haidana ko. Haiba pepsin se activate tongana ba magi medium amakak change to darkar oi. Haiba pepsin enzyme se activate to the acidic medium na to ngami ko. Haiba acidic medium se high cell na provide to. High cell ki role mo hogjage. Number one, high cell creates an acidic medium which facilitates the action of enzyme pepsin. Pepsin enzyme se magi action magi function do properly maintain the function to we hanana ba high cells na acidic medium se man provide to. Se ano function ni yamaru eba function ni. Ani subada high cell also kills some of the microorganisms entering along with the food into the stomach. Aikoi stomach sigi manungda sanga iba aikoi chari ba chinjak sigi loinana tongan ba microorganisms like bacteria gumba mayamam yaura iko haiba mayam se sigi manungda acids na digest tawtoi aduga ngasai food se sida yauriba kano sing harmful organisms sing se manghali. Sida magi function loire pepsin gi function loire then mucus. Aikoi na mamangi class sing na thingnare stomach sigi manungda high cell se thadokotoi. High cell or hydrochloric acid haiba corrosive oil haina thingnari. Adudi stomach sigi manungda acid se thadokan de mandi corrosive oil da bro chathat pe yai ko. Adubu high cell gi corrosive actions dagi kannana ba stomach ki manung thangba lining sida mucus ko substance mi layer mi gomsale ko. Aduna mucus present in the inner lining of stomach which protects the corrosive action of high cell. Smana ngasagi stomach sigi manungda legadaba high cell gi corrosive action do mucus na protect toy. Sibau sida hause koi stomach se thokpa tongan ba magi digestion gi processing loire. Then stomach sigi manungda hause partially digest or ba food se karino hani yenga partially digest tawdoi it is only proteins. Protein khakdamak stomach sigi manungda digest tawi. Mamangda mention tawgre akoina sigi mouth ta digest tawdoi food substance na kaino starch ni aduga muk stomach yarakanda na proteins digest tawre. adudi hojik se the partially digested food se acid siga mix torakanda ma se acidic food ni ko leiduri se and stomach siga manung di yori acidic partially digested food se siboi koina kaim haina khani mase koi higher class ta thengna gani 10 dadi koi class 10 gi level dadi standards dadi kaim have why si mention tawdre then the partially digested food from the stomach is transferred to the small intestine. Howsik sidagi man digest over horrible machinjak to food substance to howsik small intestine the pass away. Small intestine se aikoi alimentary canal sigi quite sang part. It is the longest part of the alimentary canal and complete digestion of food takes place in small intestine. Food digestion se sigi manung the complete oin tawduni ko. Adudi howsik small intestine sigi length the kya moibe. Mi oibe the mouth ki anus pause mi about 6 feet long mi amada mouth anus pause approximately 9.25 meters sang. Sigi manung da 6.25 meters t. Small intestine khaktagi length sina oibe. Aduna small intestine se yamna maru oiba digestion gi organ amani digestive system gi part amas oi then small intestine se tongan ba organ animal sing da haige ko tongan ba animal sing da magi food habit to khetna bagi matungina small intestine sig leng sum khenna fang like say the small intestine is longer in herbivores than that in carnivores. Carnivores to yoba small intestine nigi herbivores to yoba hen sang. Herbivores adi kainu herbivores means those animals which eat plants as their food and carnivores adi kainu animals that eat animals as their food. Atop animals sing machinjak when chaba kanguduna carnivores kore natra. Adudi howse anis the ketnari si kainu amana plants amana animals mayamse magi machinjak si the ketnari. Herbivores the small intestine sangi. Small intestine is longer in herbivores because it facilitates the digestion of cellulose by passing the food for a long distance. Masagi herbivores na chadoriba plant cells or plant tissues da cellulose koba cell wall. Cell wall have a structure ama yawi have a cell wall se cellulose ko components in semi adu have cellulose digest tawna na bu hanabada my matam sangna nasa intestine sigi manung the pass to the yatre so the longer intestine facilitates the digestion of cellulose by passing the food for a longer distance smaina point am pire ko then carnivores the tail is the kairo the small intestine is shorter in carnivores because it is easier to digest animal tissues. Animal tissue or animal flesh, meat se digest over the plant gi nasai cell wall to the meat digest over hen like a level. Aduna small intestine you length se kenana fang. Sima question hangbe question. The small intestine is longer in herbivores than that in carnivores. Justify the statement by giving 2 points. Sai mamang da legiba I explain to the point anido adumakna answer obiar. Sibaw sida small intestine gi magi length sing khetna bagi wari loire but how's it small intestine is the thokpa digestion gi process to last. Diagram sida amta muniyembiu small intestine sida food digest tawna ba tongan ba facilities mayam piba ure ahan bada liver di yembiu the diagram structure is liver ni. Liver is situated on the right upper abdomen of our body. Ekoi right side up abdomen sigi mathak thang basaruk sida liver si present way. Liver sina small intestine sigi manungda ahan bada liver sina bile ko ba mahi mathadui or we can call it bile juice haina su khangna ba yai kwa bile haiba mahi se liver dagi secrete toraba matungda it is stored in gallbladder. Gallbladder sigi manungda store tore aduga haiba bile juice na ngasagi acidified food substance stomach tagi laiba food substance to hauzik maga mix tore bile siga food substance siga mix torba matanda food se hauzik basic or alkaline medium to convert tore bile juice yam akhaba yam basic oiba adugumba substance ne ko adu acidic or koina yamna kano oiba weak oiba acid to hauzik siga mix torba matung dadi alkaline substance to convert tore adu sumaina alkaline substance to convert tobasigi maram mage facilitate tonana ba maram ani khak lei ahan bada liver sina thaduriba bile juice na mage since it is very basic or alkaline nature it helps in breaking down the large fat globules into smaller globules hauzik akoina chasaliba chinjak ta yawba fat substance sing do fat globules sing do break down to had mangami sumaina bile gi action na large fat globules sing se digest toraga break down toraga smaller globules sing the convert to gi process si boi khoina fat emulsification haina khangne ahan bada the bile juice ki function je fat emulsification side the question hangba yare write two functions of bile secreted by liver in the small intestine. Ahanbada, the bile secreted by liver helps in fat emulsification. Anisubada, bile sina food substance to ngasai acidic oirambadagi maga mix torokanda basic on greco basic substance the olaba matung data hauji ekoi sigi pancreas haibo organ sigi secretion se function to ngamale sigi function ani suba hydrikanda akuji ekoi pancreas tam la asi pancreas saidana organ ama khak about 12 centimeter muk sangba organ ama haujik stomach sigi makhadal present oi ko it is at the loop of the duodenum of small intestine. Small intestine ki aho bada leba C shape se loop se sigi manung da pancreas type organ se stomach ke makhada present oi. Haiba organ se pancreas na pancreatic juice ko ba mahi ma thadu eba. Haiba mahi se sidaida tongan ba digestive enzyme mamam yawi. Maru oiba contents khara hai tardi ahan bada trypsin ani subada amylase ahum subada lipase haidana sumaina tongan ba enzyme sing yaure trypsin digest proteins sina protein digestion tawi amylase digest carbohydrates lipase digest lipids and fats mayam se digest tawi adudi pancreas na thadu iba pancreatic juice sigi manungda yauriba trypsin haiba enzyme se sisu inactive form da secrete tawi inactive form maming kai koba trypsinogen haina kawi ko hairiba inactive form se ma activate tawna ba basic medium amakhak darkar oi hairiba basic medium se bile juice na provide tawi bile juice or bile facilitates the proper functioning of enzyme trypsin by converting the food into basic or alkaline medium. Sini ani suba bile ki function. Amuktanga mention tawjage bile helps in emulsification of fat or fat emulsification. Ani suba point bile facilitates the proper functioning of enzyme trypsin by converting the food into basic or alkaline medium. Sumain tawdana magi function ani slay makha tarakpada amylase habisina sida akogi stomach dagi pass toriba food substance the of carbohydrates sing do amylase ne act tore amylase acts upon the carbohydrates present in the food and it is converted into glucose magi carbohydrates ki digestion ki end product ti glucose ni ko aduna carbohydrates se hauji glucose to ole then small intestine si manung da protein se digest orakanda protein is converted into amino acids and fats are acted upon by lipids na act orni lipids na digest orni lipase na digest orni ko aduga lipids and fats sing se lipase har enzyme si ki mating na fatty acid and glycerol si end product sing the convert tore aduga hauzik mage food se complete digest to the mateng pang then finally hauzik sigi mayam si nataba makhata na digestion the mateng pang ba facilitate to process amasu leiri ko ahum suba process na kanana semi inner wall of small intestine. Inner wall of small intestine. Small intestine gi manung thangba lining sida sidagi mahi makhak thadui. Haiba mahi se sina intestinal juice haina kawi. Intestinal juice sida ngasai small intestine si manung da digest tongna thadui ba enzyme mayam do. Aduga manaba enzymes mayam. It also contains intestinal juice contains carbohydrate, protein, and fat digesting enzymes that helps in breaking down the food substances. Haiba mayam se food substances to break down to the mateng pangba enzymes mayam so sig manung the secretory. So with these different actions, the food is broken down completely into smallest possible units that can be absorbed through the wall of the small intestine. Small intestine walls they absorb the wangamba smallest possible units into the hosiki action mams na convert to digestore. Sumai to the digestion se complete way. Matek da hangba ba question kadang haijage. Khajik akoina argumentable oiba haidi kitang marai changba question hagadi. Side gi hobe ai ko small intestine sigi manung da food substance karamba food substance digest over hogi asai protein haiki ko the undigested proteins from the stomach is digested into small intestine so the digest of the proteins to small intestine is digest we haina statement am pire ko analyze the statement by giving suitable points in piraga seda housing statements analyze to haina hairaba adu etardi akoi hoji ekoni idori sikaino small intestines ki manungda protein digest to facility do kai legi adu iu haiba chapman ido sikai irani ahanbada in the small intestine pancreas secretes pancreatic juice containing enzyme trypsin that digests proteins point number later ani subada the inner wall of small intestine also secretes intestinal juice containing protein digesting enzymes. Mayam sigi mateng na hojik small intestine sigi manungda protein digestion do complete way. Sina mamang da 2011 da HSLC akogi Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi question da hangre 2 marks piraga hangibu question ni makha tarakpada akona sida statement amamu pbi 3 marks pibu question hangbe. The digestion of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats are completed in small intestine. Justify the statement by giving 3 points. Smai hi bama. Natraga just explain regulation bama. Aduga questions 3 marks period. Ekoni idori sikai kain. Small intestine is a talk by any phenomenon sindo point on tona kaido kadoni. Ahan bada. In small intestine, liver secretes bile, which helps in digestion of fats or which helps in fat emulsification and Ani suba point pancreas also pancreatic juice containing trypsin amylase lipase enzymes that digest proteins carbohydrates and fats respectively. The inner wall of small intestine also secretes intestinal juice containing carbohydrate, protein, and fat digesting enzymes. Smai to the equina statement se ahum piraga hariba problem se solve the way. Makha tarakpada hauzik ekoi tongan ba hangba aba question macha macha khitang lokhat abada small intestine stomach sigi manungda hoje koi protein khatamak digest tawi haina mamang da pangre ko adudi protein digest tongna enzyme dugi maming di kai kaugiba pepsin haina kaugre. Adagi muk small intestine sigi manungda di tongan ba food components sing do loinamak digest tongna facility to provide tore adudi small intestine sigi manungda particularly protein sing se karina digest tawi protein digest tongna enzymes na trypsin haina kaure hangba abu question gi mong di give 2 points of difference between pepsin and trypsin. Pepsin and trypsin ga kai khini point ani is equal ahanmada pepsin is secreted into the stomach by gastric glands. Stomach sigi manungda pepsin is secreted tawi. Ani subada trypsin. Trypsin is secreted by the pancreas into the small intestine. Point amalai ko ani suba point pepsin karamba medium da activate tawi it is active only in acidic medium, whereas trypsin is active only in basic or alkaline medium. सुमाइन तौदना अखोना हंगबा याबा क्वेश्चन खर खनगत पे यारे मखा तारकपदा हौजिक स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन सिकी मनुंग द फूड से डाइजेस्ट तौब लोइरे को डाइजेस्टेड फूड सिदी कमाइन तौई स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन की मनुंग थंगबा लाइनिंग सिदा हौजिक मरु ओइना डाइजेस्टेड फूड सिंग से एब्जॉर्ब तौई अदुदी एब्जॉर्ब तौना बा से सपोज स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन की सि मनुंग थंगबा वाल से स्माइना फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शंस मचा 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 यावे को हाइबा स्माइना स्मॉल फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शंस मैम से सिबो अखोना villi हाइने कौई villi are numerous small finger-like projections present in the inner lining of small intestine. Adudi hauji hangduisna villi kaino natraga function kaino haibigi mauta. How does or how is small intestine designed? How is small intestine designed to have maximum surface area for absorption of digested food? Digestible food to absorb to small intestine ge manung thangba lining se kamai design to question 2 marks pba. The digested food is absorbed along the wall of the small intestine. The inner wall of small intestine is provided with numerous small finger-like projections called villi, which increased the surface area for absorption of digested food. Sini, how's it chapchaba? How's the question to get answers? So, my doctor, small intestine sigi absorption and digestion you facilitate storiba maram sing do koi shais the solution. Small intestine da how's it digested food sing se absorb to graba matung da how's it undigested materials sing lemhori kharako hariba undigested materials sing se along with lots of water or along with measured amount of water these undigested substances are passed into large intestine how's large intestine da how's undigested materials sing se pass tore mo the life as large intestine function de kaino the function of large intestine are point number 1 it acts as temporary storage of undigested materials. Undigested materials sing do makhoi matam khara store tongna ba mafam je sin provide tore. Ani subada while storing the undigested materials it also helps to absorb the excess water present along with the undigested materials. Nasagi undigested materials sing duga punna yauminari ba ahen ba ising sing do large intestine gi wall sida absorb tawi aduga maning da nasagi stool je dry oina pass tawi sini nasigi akhogi human nutrition gi maru oiba para siga mari lena ba wari sing Sibauxida nutrition usually.